I'm going to show you how you can go from this to this in just 2 clicks with the new Emart softbox lighting kit that I have found on Amazon for just £44. We're going to get straight into this one, and we're going to dive into the setup, the unboxing, and we're going to show you how to set up your softbox lighting kit today and how you can get it through my affiliate link for just £44. Oh. So, as you can see, I need to improve my lighting setup. So, what did I do? I went to Amazon and bought the cheapest one I could find because I am a broke content creator, and this is currently all I can afford to light up my beautiful face. So, without further ado, this is my $44. It's somewhere in between 44. It's £44, I think. This is my £44 Amazon softbox lighting kit with 2 softboxes, and I'm hoping an English plug so I can plug it in to my mains because I'm from England. So we're going to unbox this right now and see if we can make a great lighting setup for me. So this is the Emart softbox lighting kit. I'm a broke content creator and I bought this for $44.99 to be precise. It's a softbox light kit with 6.7 foot C-stand, a 50 watt 3000 to 6000K LED bulb, and it's a professional light studio softbox lighting kit, and it's phenomenal for the price. Oh, by the way, check out the H merch. Absolutely insane, by the way. I designed this myself. It will be coming soon. I will be putting it on a website that I'm creating, but you have to be subscribed to follow the H journey, get involved with the H community, and cop your H merch coming soon. Be subscribed and I'll let you all know when it's coming. All right, back to the unboxing. I just love it. Bosh! H is taking over, baby. The unboxing of this bad boy. I didn't bring my knife with me. So the reason I need this is because right now the back of my studio, if you want to call it, is fine and lit up the way I want it to be. I do have 2 extra lights that I've not got on right now, but I think that will be better when I have these soft boxes. But right now I'm literally just using this and one other mini light that's above one of my monitors, because my PC is right here. And I need a softbox to make my face look better, essentially, and brighten the front of this screen up. So the reason I've got the softbox is to make like a natural looking daylight, but from the angle that I want it to, right in front of me, right near the camera. And I've moved my desk forward so I can put the softbox behind it and not take up too much room. Now, I saw this on Amazon for £44, and I'm still a bit wary of whether it's gonna work. I don't know exactly what's in the case. This is the first time I've opened it. They look like legs, which is always good. Then we have this, which I believe will be the soft box itself. We have 2 LED high protection Shui series light bulbs, 90% energy saving apparently. A remote control. We have one more arm. Bosh! Legs. Done. Now all we have to do is put it together. Okay, so we've zoomed out, we've turned the ISO up so you can actually see me, but then the back of the studio looks terrible. And we're going to do a little speed through of putting one of these together. So, bit of confusion there on my half. I mixed the two packets up, so I didn't know which one 1, 2 and 3 was. And also, they're different sizes on the legs, so I found the ones that have 1, 2 and 3. Unfortunately, I think I've figured it out. Only problem so far is that is quite a wide spread for a leg, and I don't have too much room back there. So fingers crossed, once we've got the softbox on, we can organise it in a way that it will fit. Seems quite sturdy. It does come. It does come with a UK plug. Our bulb will go in the hole. Yeah. All right. Whoa. Check out this bulb, by the way. That is a bulb and a half. Bulbatron, that. Bulbasaur. All right, here we go. Live results. Let's see. Yes. So we're going to turn the ISO down. Now we can to like 400, like where I want it to be. So we get a nice ambient background. You'll hopefully now get my face perfectly lit up with this nice little softbox. What we're going to do first though is download the app. Okay, so it's not paired right now, so I need to turn it off and on. Is that what it says? Turn it on and press that 5 times. We can go to a warm light, we can go to a bright light. Do you know what? I'm pretty impressed with this app. Pretty happy with this, and this is just one of my 2 lights that I've got for this for £44. Fantastic. So I'm now going to put it behind me here, and hopefully it will light up my face. I'll be able to keep the background dark and it will be sexy as, and then we'll explain exactly where I got it from and how much it is and where you can get it to, hopefully through an affiliate link. Oh! So, plugging that in proved way more difficult than I first thought. Let's actually... Yeah, I've just had to crawl under my desk. There's loads of spiders back there as well. It needs cleaning. I seem to have got it in. I just now need to like configure it. But I can already tell this is looking better. So, quite happy already. Just need to configure it. And then we might have some good lighting. This is already a major improvement. Now, because I've put it a little bit above me, it is making me a little bit white. Turn it a bit warm. There we go. We're getting into the groove. Yeah, so because I've put it up here, we have a little bit of like that shadow from here. So I'm going to try and maybe put another one over this side. I've got 2 for £44, so we don't have to worry. I'm really happy with this. So you literally get everything you can see on screen right now. You get the 2 softbox lighting kits, you get remote controls, you get a carry bag, you get the 20 by 28 inch softboxes, 2 of them, in fact 2 of them, a C-stand, legs, the light bulb itself, which is actually as big as my head, and you can get this right now. Just go in the description, I put an affiliate link for $44.99. So maybe put it on your Christmas wish list, maybe buy it for yourself if you're a content creator, but I will guarantee you that this softbox will make your videos look better. The lighting is incredible. Before I had blurry backgrounds, I had dim lighting on my face, I was just using a ring light, and now I look incredible. I recommend anyone that wants to be a content creator get one of these lights. It makes you look more professional, and if you're trying to be a content creator, trying to sell yourself online, getting a softbox lighting kit will only make your videos look more professional. This is one of the cheapest ones that I could find on the internet. The newer ones were looking at about £80, and they're considered a cheaper alternative to the top end brands. Right now, I'm really happy with the one right above me here. It's giving a great little lighting for my camera. I'm currently using the
Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, which I'll also put a link in the description to, so you can get that on my affiliate link. So if you do want to purchase one of them, they're great for vlogging and being a content creator. I've had this one for many years now, and I don't think I'll ever change it. If you do want more tips on how to be a content creator, go watch this video I've put up here. It gives you 5 extraordinarily helpful tips to be a content creator. It's a long video, but I recommend you watch it all to understand what being a content creator is. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.